Here you go, filled in bronzer, filled in bronzer, filled in bronzer. Okay, let me stop. Okay, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and today is my eyebrow routine. Okay, first you need eyebrow products. Well, make sure your eyebrows looking all right there, all there. Well, they ain't got to be all there, but okay. For my eyebrow pomade, I use I don't think y'all gonna see that. Y'all can't see that. Okay, it's called I Envy by Kiss Cosmetics, found at local beauty supply stores and all that. Comes with the brush, with the with this brush right here and this spoolie end right here. Focus on me, yeah. Okay, and now I'm gonna start. Brush the front look. Ooh, I look dry skin. Okay. And then brush it in the direction it goes, you feel me? Now I start my brows at the ends. I start with the tail of my brows. Start with the tail. Like in that little arch right here. Start there. And it's okay if you mess up, we don't clean up later anyways. Brush it down in that direction. It looks a little thick now, yeah. No, we're gonna fill it in underneath here. And then we'll go right on top. Close to the same area. Like right at the arch. And curve. Then bring it down to meet the other end. Just like you would do with your liner. Okay. Look at that thing. And then I fill in the tail. I fill in my tail. Little product. And just add it in the ball spaces. Okay. Boom. Looking crazy. Oh, I forgot to show y'all how I dip the product. So I take it and then I just do a little scrape. Do a little scrape. Go a little bit further to the middle of our brow here. At the bottom, make sure that line is straight. You don't want no crooked brows, you just don't. I'm following the natural shape of my brow and just enhancing it. My hair looks a mess, y'all. I'm trying to fix that. Okay. Face looking a mess. Okay. And now gonna go in and fill in that little middle section we just outlined. I go piece by piece by piece, you feel me? And now, since that's filled in, we're gonna go into the front of our brow and we're gonna have a lighter hand here than in the tail, obviously, because you don't want it this dark up here. Light hand, and I extend my brow right up until it meets the bridge of my nose, like right here. So I'm gonna just keep lightly feathering out until it gets right here. Like that. You feel it? Like that. And I'm gonna go on top with an even lighter hand. upward strokes here. I got in the zone for a second, my bad. Lightly doing upward strokes. Oh, you see that little dent right there? I missed that spot. I'm gonna take the spoolie end and blend that little line right here out. Now you're gonna take a flat concealer brush. Mine's really dirty, don't judge me. Take it like concealer, EYEBROW Conceal and Toast. It is the closest one to my skin tone without me mixing one, because I wear foundation anyways. But you don't have to wear foundation, okay? Okay. Put some on the back of my hand, like that much. Can you see? Can you see it? Well, put like a little dot on the back of your hand then. Take my brush. Can you see me? Going in like that right here. Get a little on your brush like this much. Since y'all know y'all couldn't see me tab like this much right there. And then I'm gonna go on the bottom. Take a little more product if you need to. And you're gonna sharpen up these lines. Oh my god, my phone blowing up. I'm gonna sharpen it up and make this tail sharp. Make it sharp. Now you're gonna do the same thing on the top. Go along the line. Just like an eraser, clean up all the lines. So it'll be blended out. Boom. Just make sure it's all clean and cleaned up. Filling any spots that you may have missed, because we are human. It happens. Fill it in where you think you need to fill it in. Boom. Eyebrows filled in. This to this, you feel me? So of course you'll put on foundation to blend it in, or you can wipe it off with a towel or paper towel, napkin, whatever, to get the excess concealer off, and then boom, everyday eyebrow. Now I'm going to do my other brow. And voila, here you go. Built-in bronzer. Okay, let me stop. Thank you guys for watching. And like I said, if you don't want all this concealer all around here, just go in with a paper towel or napkin and wipe it away, so you can have your everyday fresh face but filled in brows, you know. And of course with me, I'm gonna put on foundation, a full face, the works, but that's a different video. So come back to my channel, watch my next video upload, which is going to be an everyday glam or everyday basic routine. And then yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share my video to anybody you know. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.